Hey everybody, we're in Ashland, Virginia, and what you just saw was Kenny. Kenny's a good friend of mine. He's cool out here in Ashland. They call him Mr. Jingles. A lot of kids do. Alright, well, he's a good guy. But anyway, right now we got a train coming, so let's see what it is. Ashland, Virginia. See anything coming? I got the crew, and I got some fans here, and we're on the corner waiting for the train to come at a great location right here on the main street. So we're going to see what's coming and watch it go by. And there's Kenny again. He's getting a kick out of his little twists. Okay, back to our Millenniumforce virtual Railcam.
Human railroad crossing, if anyone remembers that.
Oh yeah. There's a train coming! Run!
Well, you have to
Kenny, there's a train coming! Run!